In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily delete a playlist from your phone. Go ahead and go to the YouTube application right here, looks like that. And then make sure you are on the correct YouTube channel that you want to delete the playlist from. If you only have one YouTube channel, then you are good to go. We are on my Andrea Jean Cleaning YouTube channel, so what you want to do is make sure that you go down here to the bottom right-hand side and click Library. And here are all of my playlists on this YouTube channel. Some of them are private and many of them are public. Let's say I wanted to delete this private playlist I just created called 5-Minute Meditations. I also have a meditation channel. But what you want to do is go ahead and click on it. You have a couple of options right here. If you click the 3 dots here on the right-hand side, this ellipsis, you can go ahead and remove this particular video from 5-Minute Meditations, although there is only one video in here. Let's go to this playlist right here, Amazing Laundry Hacks You Need to Know. This one is public. Click the pencil icon here on the top left-hand side. If you click the public option here, you could unlist it or make it private if you wanted to do that. That is an alternative. Now, to delete the entire playlist, what you want to do is click the ellipsis here on the top right-hand side, and you'll get this pop-up right here that says delete playlist. You would go ahead and click this. I do not want to do that, but that is how you delete a playlist on your phone. Click the video on screen now for some additional YouTube tips and tricks. Subscribe, thumbs up, and I'll see you, my friend, in the next one.